And so we got to, stay safe and, stay prepared as well. So, yeah, I know it's August. It's supposed to be hot, but take the proper precautions and stay cool, stay hydrated, all those things. Yesterday, the high 101 degrees. So that makes the 18th triple-digit day so far this summer. We average about 15 at this point in the summer, so we're a little ahead of schedule at this point. The hottest temp we've seen so far this summer, that was 103 back on August 7th and August 8th. And if you were wondering how this relates to last season, because remember how hot it was last year or the year before that, well, at this point last year, we had 38 triple-digit days, and back in 2022, we had 47. Of course, last year ended up, I think, with like 55 or somewhere around that number because we finished out August basically with all triple digits, and then we even had quite a few triple digits into September as well. Today, I have us about 103 for the high this afternoon, so we may end up tying what is the hottest day of the summer so far. We'll see by the time we get there later on this afternoon. In the meantime, it's about as cool as it gets for this point in the day. 81 on the campus of UNT in Denton already feels like 85, and it's 84 in Dallas, already feeling like 90 at the moment. The heat, the humidity, both will go up as we head throughout the day today. Or actually, I should say the heat goes up and the heat index will go up as we head into the afternoon. Humidity actually will decrease, but I'm not going to get into the scientific reason why that happens. Let's just talk about what the humidity does to the temperature, and that makes it feel hotter outside. And that means your heat index values 110 or higher across the majority of North Texas today and even tomorrow. I have us, in fact, a little hotter tomorrow afternoon as the excessive heat warning continues through tomorrow, not only for us, but a good chunk of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana to Mississippi as well. I bet you can find where high pressure is sitting at the moment. Got some storms up in Nebraska on the periphery of that high pressure, but it's going to keep us high and dry for the time being. I mean, look at the rainfall projections through next weekend. Florida sees a decent soaking. The closest the rain really gets to us is maybe eastern Oklahoma, deep east Texas there, but look at all the dry weather across not only North Texas, but across the state of Texas as well. And because things are hot and things have gotten dry recently, fire danger has started to increase yet again, especially across the western half of the area. So quite a few burn bans across western North Texas, a few across the eastern part of the area as well. No burning, obviously, in those locations, but I would use caution with anything that causes sparks or anything that has open flames, as well as any fires that get started could spread very quickly. I know it's, we had a wet spring, we had a wet early part of the summer, but because how hot things are now, and then also any of those grasses that grew up have dried and cured, that contributes to the fire danger. It's not record heat the next couple of days, but it is plenty hot. I mean, the record today is 112. The record tomorrow is 108, set in a familiar year. Yeah, that would be last year. We also hit 109 on Tuesday of last year. Of course, it wasn't on Tuesday, but you get the idea. And then even 106 this upcoming Wednesday is the record. So quite a few days of record temps, but there's your improvement. Did I say it was going to be cool by any means? No. But at least it's better than 103, 105. I have us about 100 or 99 for the second half of the week and even into this upcoming weekend. So it's triple digits today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then 90s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and all of the following week as well. Could any of those days maybe jump up to that 100-degree mark here or there? It does look possible. But I don't see any of the hottest days of the summer so far or anything like that. After kind of today and tomorrow, the next 2 weeks, I don't see us getting close to those type of temps, but I do see us, upper 90s, maybe getting close to 100 degrees. Back to you.
All right, Kyle.